You're here. Awake. Well, mostly. Maybe your hair's doing interpretive dance. Maybe your blanket still thinks you belong to it. That's fine. That's human. Take a deep breath in. Slow and easy. Feel that inhale. Stretch across your ribs, lifting you from the inside. And as you exhale, let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, your mind loosen its grip. Nothing to fix, nothing to chase. Just you and this gentle moment of beginning. Let your awareness drift toward the light around you. Maybe soft morning sunlight, or maybe that familiar glow that reminds you, hey, it's a new day. Notice how it doesn't rush. It arrives quietly, confidently, knowing that its presence is enough. You can move like that too, with quiet assurance that who you are, right now, is more than enough. Breathe again. Let each inhale fill you with subtle energy, that hum of life stirring in your chest. And as you exhale, feel every small worry slide off your shoulders, down your arms, and into the floor beneath you. You don't need to hold it all this morning. There's something beautifully forgiving about mornings. They don't ask who you were yesterday. They just open their arms and say, try again. This is your clean slate, your quiet reset button. Breathe in that truth, the freedom to start fresh. Feel it spread through your chest like warm sunlight on water. If your mind starts whispering, I'm not ready yet, smile at it. Remind it that readiness isn't something you wait for, it's something you breathe into. Every inhale builds it. Every exhale clears space for it. Feel the energy waking up inside you, behind your eyes, in your hands, beneath your heart. You are made of morning. You are allowed to rise. Feel your breath steady now, slow, rhythmic, alive. You've moved from waking into awareness, and now into creation. This breath is a gentle ignition, not a spark that burns, but a steady flame that glows quietly behind your heart. You can trust that warmth. With every inhale, feel your body drawing in energy, clean, electric, purposeful. With every exhale, sense that energy expanding through you, flowing into your arms, your legs, your spine. You're filling with quiet strength, not the kind that shouts, but the kind that knows. Let your mind picture the day unfolding before you, the simple beauty of movement, of conversation, of small victories waiting to be noticed. You don't have to control it, just meet it. Meet it with presence, meet it with breath. You are calm and ready. Your pace is yours alone. Unhurried, deliberate, powerful in its ease. Feel your feet grounding beneath you, like roots waking in warm soil. Every moment you touch today is a chance to begin again. Lighter, clearer, kinder to yourself. And if the world gets loud, remember this stillness. It lives inside you, always available, just one deep breath away. You carry it like sunlight beneath your skin, steady, constant, quietly radiant. So take one final breath in. Feel it fill every cell with strength, focus, and warmth. And as you exhale, let your awareness soften outward, into sound, into motion, into life. You are awake. You are enough. You are already shining.